So today we've got Adam, and he's from Hobbyman, and in the background we've got a horse. So we're flying pretty rural. So tell me what we're handling today. What sort of machine?
We've got the Blade 550X from Horizon Hobbies. It's one of their more Pro Series kits. It's fitted with the high-tech Optima receiver, Beast X gyro, running the Aurora 9 radio system, also running high-tech cyclic servos and tail servo.
So are they the brushless motor servos?
No, just high voltage HV, 7.4 volts, running a separate flight pack to the main motor as well. So if we have a motor failure, we've still got power and servos to land, hopefully.
And tell me about the batteries.
Batteries, we're running a 6S 5500 on the motor, and we're running a 22 7.4 volt battery for the receiver and servos. And
your flying time all up?
Just roughly around 15 to 18 minutes.
That's pretty good.
Just hovering around. So.
And how many hours of Adam time have gone into getting to this level?
Lots.
Lots.
So
okay, well we'll follow you out.
Every day is more practice. So.
Practice.
More practice.
Hold on, let's just get where you're from. Stay there. This is Hobbyman, and Hobbyman in Founding Gate. So we're going to do a takeoff to start with. And take off into a hobber. So just tell me what you're doing.
So just getting it stable into the hover first, and let the gyro do most of the work, and just very slow inputs on the sticks, just to keep it balanced in that one spot.
Okay, so you just call each maneuver and go do it. Successful. It came back in one piece.
Come back in one piece.
Yeah, very good.
More practice, so hopefully once you get more practice, better flying.